Good morning everybody, and this is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So levels are still the same as they were yesterday. Oscillators have grouped the upside even more in a tighter ball, should we say, and that is just indicating I don't want to be long there. We have hit the level that I was expecting us to hit, which was the 155 EMA, and this bit of structure here, and that is at 4,200. And at the moment, what I am still anticipating is a move back down to this 4,100 area. If we can hold that 4,100 area, then I'd be a buyer on the 8 hour. However, on the lower time frames, things are looking a little bit different. So on the 3 hour, we have a confirmed crossover. We are busy crossing over the 155 EMA. Don't like the oscillators as they are. That's just indicating to wait. Don't try jump in long just yet. And this level is still the one to pay attention to, 4,100. You can see that lines up quite nicely. And then just a little bit below that, where this cluster is here, if I put another level in there, you'll see, if you look to the left, you'll see a lot of interaction there as well. So that would be 4079 or 4080. So that is the pullback area that I would be looking at the moment. If we look at this on the hour, look at the oscillators on the hour, chalk and cheese from yesterday. Yesterday I said to you don't want to be going long with oscillators like that, and we drifted up to the level as expected and then basically came off. So at the moment, the oscillators are looking fairly interesting and fairly eased off, which is also pointing to the fact that this may be a flag. So what we want to do is come down to the 15-minute, because the higher time frames are not really conducive to getting us long, and we are looking to see for a next level on the 15-minute. So you can see one leg down, one leg up, one leg down, and this looks like a flag, another flag, or sort of a bear flag. Move down, consolidation, next move down. So where is the next bit of structure on the 15-minute? Right here around the 155 EMA. So that's at 4134. So those are the levels to pay attention to. 3144 on the 15-minute, and it's quite a nice area. If you look at what your stop area is going to be, your stop is below one of these two. So it's kind of at the extreme, it'll be 300 points. Over here, it's going to be about 170, 180 points. So you're looking for price to get to here, build a base, inside bar, engulfing bar, pin bar, double bottom, any form of price action that's indicating a potential change. You are in an uptrend, and then you're looking for a move to the upside. So that is the one way of this playing out. The next way is going to be, dare I say, a little bit interesting. So if you look at this, you can see that is a cup and handle. There's a cup, there's a handle from yesterday, and well, inverse cup and handle, should we say. We've come back, we're now testing it, so you'd expect to break the downside. If you just eyeball this, look at the distance of that range, let's just call it a range, and look at the downside. This is the most logical target for that break. So that confirms that. So that is the one scenario at the moment. We are in an uptrend on the hours, so we don't want to be going short against the trend. We're looking for opportunity to buy. That is the first thing. Second thing could be that this is a flag. Now, if it is a flag, or should I say still a flag, okay? It is a bit of a channel, but it is a flag. So the second thing is that this level now becomes fairly interesting for the bulls as well. So a break above that and finding structure here like we did there yesterday would indicate an opportunity to trade to the upside, which is with the trend, and it is a flag break. If I come to the hour there, it's a flag break for this move here. So this has been two strong moves. Strong move, sideways, strong move, retracement. Look at the oscillators all lining up with that. So that's the two scenarios I'd be looking at. First, buy off 4133 or 4134. If that gives way, then I'll be looking further down. And then the second option is to be buying on a break of the structure at 4170. So I need to see on the 15-minute sort of a break, a retest of that area, that would validate that your stop is below this pin bar here, boom, and you're looking at a fairly strong move up, and the level is still the same one at 43.17, which is what I gave you yesterday. Only thing to worry about today is it is the last day of the month, so you could get a bit of profit taking for the people that are long at the moment. Which means you're looking, what they'll be looking to do is form a monthly bar with a tail, or some form of a tail, as profit taking happens at the end of the month. So that's the only thing to worry about at the moment. Apart from that, solid uptrend at the moment. This is now the third day of an uptrend on the hour, with the oscillators lining up quite nicely to indicate a continuation. So for me on the hour, that's what we're aiming for. On the higher time frames, it is cautious. Could be a extended range or a bit of a deeper pullback, just to get those oscillators to ease off a bit. And then that would indicate another opportunity to buy again. But anyway, that's kind of my view right now, is I'm looking to buy all structure, and these are the two areas. These are the two areas in my immediate target zone. This area down here is still another area, which is 4100, roughly 4100 to 4080. So even if we get a deep pullback into that, I'd be looking at opportunity to buy as well. Okay, anyway, that's kind of my view this morning. Hope it helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.